Today, we'll dive into the thrilling universe of crypto projects that have set the digital world on fire. My name is Dan. Let's get started. Avalanche. In November 2023, Avalanche showed perhaps the best performance among Layer 1 blockchains. It started the month at the $11 mark and reached the maximum of $24.15 on November 17th. The project has achieved a major milestone with over 6 million addresses and a record-breaking $6.35 million in transactions on November 22nd. Another reason why crypto enthusiasts discuss AVAX a lot is the token unlock event on the 24th, where $213.35 million worth of AVAX tokens was released. Finally, the AVAX ecosystem received $10 million investment from Colony Lab, focusing on the expansion of the network through a validators program. All of this prompted us to call Avalanche a hot altcoin of the month. Solana. Last month, Solana was experiencing a noticeable uptrend with its growing total value locked and a 10% increase in deposits across its dApps. The TVL currently stands at $602.41 million, which looks like a recovery for Solana after setbacks related to the FTX exchange bankruptcy, which still affect the project. There are still challenges, including the need to rebuild investors' trust and sort out regulatory issues. But Solana has attracted major corporations like Shopify and Visa recently. This shows its potential as a versatile blockchain solution. One more event brought Solana users good news in November was that nearly 1 million SOL wallets were eligible for a 4 billion token airdrop from the decentralized finance aggregator Jupiter. Celestia. Celestia is a new crypto project designed to address the scalability challenges in the blockchain sphere. The team introduced data availability sampling at the base layer. The platform embodies a unique combination of Cosmos' interoperable zones and a roll-up-centric Ethereum, all secured under a shared security model. Celestia mainnet launch took place at the end of October, but it had already gathered a following and became one of the best performing tokens in November. TIA was valued at around $2.5 at the beginning of last month. By November 18th, TIA's value had skyrocketed by 179.3% to $7.135. Since the project is still new, we should wait to see if the hype around it is justified. But as of now, TIA definitely deserves the title of hot altcoin. Ordinals. In November, the cost to use the Bitcoin network went way up, reaching a peak on the 17th. The surge in fees was caused, among other things, by the growing demand for ordinals on the BTC network, where users inscribe digital assets like images and videos to Satoshis to create NFTs. Blockchain trackers revealed that ordinals, especially those adding text onto Satoshis, dominated BTC transactions in November. Since October 24, over 6 million ordinal assets have been created, resulting in more than 800 BTC in fees, worth roughly $30 million, being redistributed to the network. ORDI coin also saw the return of interest in the project because of the listing on Binance on November 7th. Its price surged by 40.8% in just 24 hours after the listing. Finally, on November 17th, the Ordinal-based project Taproot Wizards announced a $7.5 million seed round. Memecoin. Memecoin made a splash as it was also listed on the Binance exchange. The coin opened at $0.0232 and quickly surged 25%, reaching an all-time high of $0.0288. Despite a correction, Meme is currently trading at $0.027, marking more than 30% increase from its lows. The token's listing on Binance and the market cap of over $220 million have attracted attention, positioning Meme as the 5th largest meme crypto. Some investors are optimistic about the coin's potential, fueled by Binance's support and its connection to the Memeland project, a Web3-focused venture studio with ties to 9gag. The token's Firesale, which raised over $8 million in 28 hours, and its links with the Binance launch pool further push the bullish sentiment. Blur. The ERC20 native token of the NFT marketplace Blur with the same name also got a lot of attention following the launch of Blast, a layer 2 network for NFTs. It was also supported by, you guessed it, Binance, which opened trading for Blur/BTC, Blur/USDT, and Blur/Tri on November 24th, leading to a nearly 30% surge in Blur's price to $0.62 with a market capitalization of $690.7 million. The listing coincided with Blur founder Tishun Rakira raising an additional $40 million for the Blur ecosystem and the introduction of the Blast Layer 2 network. It aims at reducing transaction costs for digital collectibles and earning yield through Ethereum staking. Immutable. Immutable-X is a layer 2 solution for the Ethereum that is designed to offer scalability, cost efficiency, and user experience specifically for the NFT and Web3 gaming markets. The project boasts low gas fees, carbon neutrality, and processing of up to 9,000 transactions per second. Last month, the asset's price showed consistent growth from $0.65 on the 1st of November to $1.48 on the 23rd. This bullish movement is likely connected to the recent strategic partnerships. The first one was the involvement in Amazon's ISV Accelerate program. It will provide Immutable with valuable resources, for example, access to a broad pipeline of game studio leads and support for successful deal closures. What's more, the crypto project also collabed with Ubisoft. This is a major player in the gaming industry that wants to explore the potential of digital ownership in gaming. Please remember that this video was created for educational purposes only, and it doesn't contain any financial advice. Always do your own thorough research before investing. Which projects are you keeping your eye on? Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned, stay curious, and see you very soon.